Doug, how are we doing again today?
Doing well, yourself?
Good to see you. How have things been going since our last lesson?
Well, I've actually been out to the chipping range 2 or 3 times trying to work on that and slowly but surely making better contact.
Nice. And have you been implementing those practice games that we talked about last lesson as well?
I did. I used it one time that I tried the game.
Okay. I'm guessing you've played as well since
I have played, and given the conditions where chipping's a little bit different than in the summertime, but I'm working on the technique. And there's a couple of good chips I hit. Basically gimme putts, which is what you want.
And you feel more confident kind of now stepping into the chips than you did before?
I do.
Okay. So we're going to transition into full swing today.
Okay.
We'll be able to carry over some of that short game stuff we talked about into the full swing lesson.
Okay.
So that's why we started over there.
All right.
But within the full swing, what area do you think you kind of want to focus on first? What club or shot? Where are we looking?
My path tends to get too inside from the start, which then leads to problems coming down.
Yeah, which is kind of what we noticed in the chipping too,
Exactly.
drag it inside. So we'll start with a low to mid iron, kind of work our way up. My guess is we'll see some of the same patterns with your 8 iron, your 4 iron, maybe even with some of your woods. So we'll get started. I'll watch you hit a few. We'll kind of go through the same thing as last time. I thought it worked pretty well. Just making a couple changes, which I think was helpful last time. We only found one thing that we wanted to work on. Don't want to overload you with information. So maybe we'll find 1 or 2 things in the full swing to work on and kind of just work our way through the bag today.
Okay.
We have plenty of time, and so seeing if things change throughout the bag, we can always adjust if we need to as well. So
Sounds good.
I'll let you grab your 8, 7 iron, whatever you want, hit a few, and then we'll get started.
All right, sounds good.
Hopefully that was